Before installing any accessories, ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat level surface. Also, ensure the vehicle is in park. Set the parking brake and remove the key. To install the windshield on your Sportsman 450 or 570, follow these steps. Begin by loosening the two front fasteners, securing the front brake master cylinder. Then, remove the cable ties from the electrical harness routings on both sides of the handlebars. Next, identify the right and left labeling on the mounting arms and install in their appropriate sides on the windshield. Then, install the washer and fastener into the mounting hole. And repeat this process on the other side. Do not fully tighten at this time. Next, reposition the master cylinder as needed, and install windshield clamps onto the vertical bend of the handlebar, with the stem side pointing forward. Then, install the fastener and secure, but do not tighten at this time. Then, repeat the process on the other side. Next, place the windshield assembly onto the clamp stems. Reposition the adjuster screws and clamps as needed to allow the windshield to sit on the headlight pod. Once the desired position is achieved, press in the clamp levers until they are locked in place. Next, torque the arm fasteners to specification. Then, torque the clamp fasteners to specification. Next, secure the electrical harness routings on each side of the handlebars using cable ties. To adjust the mounting clamp pressure, pull the clamp lever open and turn the adjuster screw on top to adjust the pressure as needed. To optimize the windshield fit, pry open the mount covers from the back of the windshield. Then, loosen the fasteners and adjust the windshield as needed. Once in the desired position, torque the fasteners to specification. Continue by firmly pressing the covers back into place. Finally, reposition the master cylinder and torque the fasteners to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.